Are you eating the wrong foods? This video presentation will explore the negative effects of relying on processed and sugary snacks, and provide solutions on how to make lifestyle changes to improve overall health. From the implications of unhealthy eating habits to the long-term gains of a better diet, this video will arm you with the necessary knowledge for an improved diet. Tune in to find out if you are indeed eating the wrong foods. Hello everyone, my name is Earl Charles and welcome to this video presentation dedicated to the topic of nutrition. More specifically, we'll be covering the issue of whether or not you may be eating the wrong types of foods. Over the course of this presentation, we'll be exploring the many possible offenders in the world of diet, as well as discussing potential solutions and allowing you to make lifestyle changes for the better. So, let's get started. What are we eating today? To kick off this presentation, it's important to understand the kinds of foods we are eating in terms of our diets today. As most people can guess, the brief answer is not enough good ones. We as a society have become consumed with convenience and heavily rely on packaged fast food, processed snacks, and energy bars. We have also become accustomed to getting more than our suggested daily values of unhealthy fat, sugar and salt. The impact of processed foods. Now that we understand the current state of our diets, we can cover the types of health implications that come with eating processed foods. For starters, this form of eating has been linked to diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Processed snacks and desserts are full of empty calories which don't provide much in terms of nutrient value, despite their explosion in popularity. Going down this dietary route can also increase your energy levels before leading to an inevitable crash, a common issue found in everyday life. Potential solutions. Now that we've gotten to the root of the problem, let's cover some potential solutions. The first and perhaps most prominent change would be to switch out the processed, sugary snacks for proteins like fish or nuts, as these provide a steady supply of energy. Similarly, you can replace the fatty, salty fast food with lighter carb-rich dishes like salads and whole grain breads. Finally, it is important to monitor and limit your unnecessary consumption of sugar, something that has become an ingrained part of our foundation. Putting it all together. We've now covered the reasons why it is important to move away from processed foods, and how to start heading in the right direction. To finish things off, let's talk about the short-term and long-term outcomes of such a change. Short-term, you will experience an immediate increase in energy, mental clarity, and overall health. This will in turn lead to long-term positive changes, such as a better sense of well-being, weight loss, and a healthier lifestyle overall. Conclusion. Well, that's it for this video presentation. Eating the wrong types of foods can be detrimental to our health, and it's important to understand that our daily diets should have a balanced approach. If you liked this video and want to see more, please hit the subscribe button, so you never miss an update, and press the like button. With this new knowledge under our belts, we can now make more educated decisions when purchasing our meals and snacks. Thanks for joining. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth.